Welcome to Shiny New Clients, the marketing podcast that helps you attract shiny new clients to your business. We'll talk about social media, what makes people buy, how to go viral, and marketing psychology, all in 20 minutes or less. Whether you're a coach, a stylist, or a wedding planner, if you've got a service-based business to sell, this is the show you need to fill your calendar. I'm Jenna Warriner, your new marketing coach, and this is Shiny New Clients. When you're not getting clients from your social media, it feels like you have a stressful hobby. Not only that, a hobby that pings you all day long and that society and other business owners and your business coach are guilting you into participating in. And you're just like, Mom, I don't like gymnastics anymore. So we've got to get your social media converting into sales. And that's what this podcast is all about. This is what my program is all about. This is what I'm all about. I'm here for you to get you making sales from the content that you post online. I was talking to a business owner today who told me she's posting consistently. She feels like she's ripping her hair out and she's not getting anything out of it. Especially if you're not driven by likes and follows. Those give you those small boosts, those small wins. But really what we want is, the sound of Shopify pinging, the sound of our online booking calendar telling us that we have a new sales call. That's what we really want. Your social media is marketing. It is a marketing tool for your business. If it's not bringing you clients and it's not improving your public image, if it's not at least generating referrals, if it's not keeping you top of mind for your clients so they become repeat customers, then it's a shitty hobby. It doesn't feel good. Let's talk about how to get people off the fence so that they make that purchase, because I'm willing to bet you have hot leads right now. I bet you have hot leads who have been following you very, very quietly. They might not even be commenting or liking, so you don't know they're there, but I bet they're there. If you're posting consistently, some creeper is out there watching you, and we want to get them off the fence so they actually make a purchase. So you might know that I do not like masculine sales tactics. I am a feminine girl. I like your feminine sales tactics. Difference between those are a masculine sales tactic is like, we get up at 5 a.m. and we hustle and we work hard and that is how we build. And it's any, sales tactics that are driven by fear, sales tactics that are really pushy. That's not what I'm about. So I'm all about giving you feminine sales tactics. These are sales tactics that feel good, that are authentic, that don't feel like you're pushing someone to buy, but more like you are inviting someone to buy. Now, just to confuse the message, this is where these two things are going to come together. So we're going to talk about some stuff that might sound like a masculine tactic, but we are going to do it in such a way that it is genuine and authentic and good so that we can sleep at night. Step 1. Cut to me never saying step 2, step 3, and subsequent steps. But anyway, you got to start somewhere. We're starting at step 1. Step 1 is I want you to zoom out and I want you to look at your business like it is in seasons. We have our season of growth where you get new eyeballs on you, your season of nurture where you make those eyeballs fall in love with you, and your season of sales when everyone watching you gets off the fence and buys. And spoiler alert, this informs the entire content strategy that I teach inside Magic Marketing Machine. If you want to learn about that, there's a free training in the show notes called How to Get Clients from Instagram without wasting hours glued to your phone. So you can learn more on that there. If you're visualizing your whole year in these growth, nurture, sales mini cycles, once you get to the sales part of the cycle, people should be primed and ready to buy. But did you clean your room the first time your mom asked you to? Because I know I certainly did not. You know when I cleaned my room? When there was going to be either a reward or a consequence. Or when my mom asked me for the 10th time and I felt like she was finally serious about that consequence that she had promised earlier. And what I'm trying to say here is people need a reason to take action. Someone out there wants to work with you right now. They're just putting it off. They're twiddling their thumbs because you haven't given them a reason to choose right now, to choose now as the time to take the leap and make the purchase. So let's talk about a couple solely strategic things that you can do to have someone take that leap. My favorite is to institute the pressure of time. This is like a marketing psychology strategy, pressure of time. So that could be the price goes up soon. If you know your price is going up soon, that is a reason for someone to not wait until later. They want to buy right now because the price is going to go up. You could also do some sort of a promo, like a buy one, get one. Saying something is only available for a limited time only. Or if you buy right now, you also get this bonus thing. Then you don't need to drop your price. You don't need to give a discount. Like a discount is kind of the low-hanging fruit here. You could definitely do a discount, but I mean, I never discount my products. It's totally up to you strategically if you ever want to discount your products, but I like to add to it instead. Buy right now, you get this bonus thing. That is your reason. And this bonus thing, it expires. It is only available right now. If you know you have an offer that people want and you have all these eyeballs on you, but nobody seems to be buying, I encourage you to add in some sort of time pressure tactic and see if that works. It's hard to know what the one thing is, the one thing that's keeping people from buying from you, but chances are there's at least one piping, steaming, sexy, hot lead out there who is just waiting for you to give them a reason to give you their credit card information. So I hope this helps, and I hope you have all these ideas stirring around in your head. If you're going to implement any of these ideas, please message me on Instagram. I would love to hear about it. And hey, if you have taken anything away from this show that you're implementing in your business, could you please leave me a positive review, because I would really appreciate that, and it helps this show get out to a wider audience. Meantime, go make that money, honey. I'll talk to you in the next episode.